So you need to know how to speed up your prints. Well, I've got a secret for you. Open up your slicer.
Do it! Just do it!
The bigger the file, the bigger the difference. I'm going to use the sewer part of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles stand I made. Pay close attention to the line width under the Quality tab. Total print time 4 hours and 54 minutes. Now here is the trick.
Magic.
Change everything in the line width column to 0.6. Everything except supports, and if you want the detail to be a little better, leave the outer wall 0.42. I changed my sparse infill density to 5%. This part right here is just a personal preference. Now hit slice again and watch the magic happen.
Now watch me whip, now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip, watch me nay nay. Why me do it?
Your time has now dropped to 3 hours and 32 minutes. That's 1 hour and 22 minutes saved. Think about the time saved on a 10-hour print. If this has helped you in any way, please comment, like and subscribe.
Toodaloo, motherfucker.
Hey, you